I have really loved using this cleaning brush off of Amazon. It has totally changed the way that I clean and scrub, and it makes it so easy. If you are still scrubbing by hand, please get yourself this, especially if you are either not able-bodied or lazy like myself. But like when I was pregnant and it was hard bending over, this was a total game changer. I used to completely dread cleaning my shower, and this makes it so easy, literally less than a 5-minute chore. My toddler even likes helping, which is fun, so it's a really easy tool to use. This comes with a ton of attachments, so it's really versatile for different types of cleaning around your house. It also has several different speed levels. So you can do a low speed for just a little bit of a wipe or a high speed for a really high powered scrub. The battery life is great, and it also comes with an extender arm so you can use it to reach far and high places. When you're done, you can just pop off the attachment and wash it in the sink. I would definitely recommend this. Definitely overall recommend getting yourself a scrub brush. It has been literally life-changing, and I hope this was helpful, and you can follow me for more.